The TPR Group has achieved sustainable growth by building a production and sales network that spans 6 regions around the world. Based on the corporate philosophy of contribute to realizing a clean and high-quality global society. Our business structure is divided into 2 main areas. The first is the Powertrain Business, which handles a range of high-performance engine components. The second is the Frontier Business, which handles 5 areas, including rubber and resin products. The automobile industry is undergoing a period of great change, and various transformations are beginning to take place, centered on the shift to EVs. There are currently various views on the progress of the shift to EVs. While we believe that there will still be demand for engines for the time being, we also believe that EVs will certainly increase in the future. For this reason, we will act on both fronts. We would like to report on the 2026 Medium-Term Management Plan, 26 MTP. The policy of the 26 MTP is to looking to the future, preparing for further growth. In the powertrain business, we expect to see a gradual decline after the 26 MTP. So we will actively invest resources and personnel in the Frontier business during the 26 MTP period in anticipation of future growth. At present, sales in the Powertrain and Frontier businesses are about equal, but the Powertrain business, which accounts for 100% of ordinary profit, is the one that contributes the most to profits. By making new businesses profitable, we expect ordinary profit to be 15% in the Frontier business and 85% in the Powertrain business during the 26 MTP period. By 2030, we are forecasting that the Powertrain business will account for 1/3 of sales and the Frontier business will account for 2/3, with ordinary profit reaching nearly half of the total. Next, let's talk about the significance of TPR's existence. The keyword that we focused on, based on our corporate philosophy, is motion. TPR has demonstrated its presence through technological development in the areas of sliding, friction, and heat, and through proposals and development based on the accumulation of the things that occur in these environments. TPR, your world in motion. We become a presence that supports society by being involved with such things that motion. We believe that this is the significance of our existence as TPR, which spans the Powertrain and Frontier businesses. This is the backbone policy of the 26 MTP. In the Powertrain business, we will maximize profits by leveraging our existing strengths. In addition, we will invest resources in the Frontier business with the aim of commercialization and expansion. Through this, we will promote sustainability initiatives to achieve sustainable growth and improve corporate value. Next, we have numerical targets. We aim to achieve sales of 210 billion yen, ordinary profit of 22 billion yen, an ordinary profit margin of over 10%, profit attributable to owners of parent of 12.5 billion yen, and ROE of 8%. Regarding shareholder returns, we have a dividend payout ratio of 30%, but we aim to achieve a payout ratio of over 40%. We aim to achieve a capital return that exceeds the cost of equity through improved profitability and capital efficiency, and to strengthen dialogue with stakeholders with the goal of achieving an ROE of 8% and a PBR of over 1x in financial year 2026. To improve profitability, we will pursue sustainable growth by implementing key measures and actively allocating cash to growth areas. To improve capital efficiency, we will review the utilization status of assets and the significance of holding them, and we will work to improve capital efficiency by reducing the number of shares held for policy reasons and promoting the effective use of funds within the group. We will continue to allocate the cash we generate in the future appropriately to investments in growth, equipment, human capital, and shareholder returns, and we will continue to manage the company with an awareness of capital costs and stock prices. We would like to report on our business strategy. In the Powertrain business, we aim to realizing industry-leading manufacturing. In addition to our mainstay products of piston rings, cylinder liners, and valve seats, we will focus on responding to the development of new models and markets where engines remain. Furthermore, we have set out new key measures for the medium-term period, with business strategies that promote cost reductions, optimize cost structures, and reflect cost increases in prices. We will promote the development of hydrogen and multi-fuel compatible technologies and will focus on technological development for hybrid and plug-in hybrid vehicles. During the 26 MTP, orders for powertrains are strong. In order to maximize profits, we will make the necessary investments in areas such as efficiency, manufacturing innovation, quality improvement, and workplace environment and safety. In the 5 areas of the frontier business, we have set out the key measures of actively investing in growth areas and strengthening recruitment. And we will invest in areas that contribute to the expansion of growth businesses, promote R&D in areas such as EV-related, nanomaterials, and the application of existing technologies, establish technology centers in the frontier business, create new technologies that will support the future, and carry out M&A and strategic investment. In the rubber and resin field, we will focus on developing new products and materials and strengthening our technology, as well as increasing our market share among major customers and developing new businesses, with the aim of achieving sales of 20 billion yen by financial year 2030. In the development of EV-related products, we are taking advantage of our strengths in China, a leading EV country, and promoting the mass production of EV-related parts from financial year 2023. In addition, we are promoting the development of case-compatible technologies and new products for Japanese manufacturers, and will begin producing EV parts in Mexico from financial year 2024. In the field of nanomaterials, our company's products, which have the industry's top-level fiber length and the feature of being able to easily construct CNT networks, won the Material Award at Nanotech 2024. We will further accelerate commercialization. As a way of creating technology that will support a beautiful and prosperous future, we will strive for the creation of technologies and products that delivers motion and emotion by estimating future growth markets based on future predictions for 2050. In the area of automotive exteriors, we will strive to expand our connected business and develop elemental technologies with the aim of expanding customer base and creating group synergies, manufacturing, pursuing the highest quality, and strengthening new technologies and products compatible with carbon neutrality, CN, and CASE. In the area of related equipment, we will respond to changes in automotive maintenance and inspection equipment, as well as new mobility, and create business opportunities. We would like to report on our sustainability initiatives. In terms of environmental initiatives, we have set the materiality of provide product services that contribute to realizing a clean and high-quality regional community, promote monozukuri that is considerate to the Earth's environment, and have set a CO2 emissions target to achieve carbon neutrality by 2050, including Scope 3. And as milestones, we aim to reduce emissions by 50% in financial year 2030 compared to financial year 2013, and by 32% in financial year 2026. In terms of our approach to society, we have identified realize a workplace that develops people, learns from people, and is rich in diversity, and contribute to the regional community. Provide high-quality product services that meet customers' expectations and trusts as materiality. And we are promoting human resource development, diversity and inclusion, and creating a comfortable working environment as key measures. As part of our governance initiatives, we have identified enhance a fair and highly transparent governance system and risk management for continuity of business that is globally robust and stable as material issues. And we are working to enhance our corporate governance in order to build good relationships with our stakeholders and achieve sustainable growth through the provision of excellent technologies and valuable products. We have excellent technology related to power mechanisms and advanced materials, the passion of our employees, and a relationship of trust built with many customers. By making use of this foundation, the TPR Group will create the world of tomorrow through further technological innovation, the provision of valuable products, and the development of new fields.